Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can send high quality pictures or videos on Messenger. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the chats section, people, and right here you're gonna find your stories. So if you go to the chats section, right here, you're going to find all of your conversations. For example, I'm going to click on this conversation. So basically, guys, right here, if you click or if you send the images and also the videos the regular way, their quality will be reduced. If you want to send higher quality videos on Messenger, it's pretty easy. Just go ahead and go to your browser. Once you do that, go ahead and search for Mediafire like this. Then go ahead and click on search, click on Mediafire, and then once you're here, go ahead and click on the upload icon in the top. Then go ahead and tap anywhere in the screen to browse media to upload. Go ahead and click right here. Then click on files, and then you can choose the media that you want to upload. So for example, I'm going to upload this one. Click on it, and then just wait for it to upload. Once your media is uploaded, just go ahead and copy the link. Then go back to Messenger, and you can send the link of the media file. Then it will be in high quality. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.